Alright guys, so here we go again to another adventure. We're going to this boat trip to Cuiabazinho River. So exciting days here in Bom Jardim, district of Nobres, here in my home state, Mato Grosso. So here we go, let's go.
Vou passar para vocês para fazer essa atividade de bote, tá? A nossa atividade em si eu preciso que em si com roupa de banho vocês já estejam já todos. Qual o banheiro antes também e lá só o natural, tá? Nosso passeio em si nós fornecemos água para vocês, colete e capacete. Em si também tem um transporte. Nós vamos pegar em si, vocês vão sair daqui e vão até o rio com o nosso carro em si próprio nosso e vão trazer vocês para cá de novo. Nosso passeio é uma pegada contemplativa. Nós não temos um rio em si que é a parte de raft, por isso que a gente em si passa como passeio de bote. A gente
passeio
vai
contemplar. Não é nem raft, né?
Nem raft. Então tem as corredeiras, mas é principalmente essa época que é de seco, o rio tá mais baixo, então assim é uma parte bem contemplativa e legal mesmo de se fazer. E parada para banho, então é bem gostoso mesmo.
Vocês vão se comportar desta forma aqui no bote, ó. Sentando aqui, galera, nessa lateral. Vocês estão vendo esse tipo de costura aqui? É onde vocês vão estar sentando. A minha capitã ali, a Jack Sparrow, ela vai sentar no meio da bisnaga. Os demais ficam sentando na lateral.
Alright guys, so we have arrived here. So this is the Cuiabazinho River, like I told you before. So it's gonna be nice. It's my very first time here in this river. So let's show you. It's gonna be nice. I hope it's gonna be nice.
Meu nome é Júlio César.
E o seu? Vocês são de onde?
Rondonópolis, aqui do Mato Grosso.
Rondonópolis. Rondonopolitanos, né?
Exatamente.
Que legal. Bora curtir esse passeio então, hein? É nóis, tamo junto, valeu. Ó, pode até jogar. Pegar uma sombrinha aqui, so we have some shade right now. Let's go guys. Thank you. So guys, this is it. We're just getting here to the end of this boat tour, the boat trip. That was really cool. And that's my suggestion again. So we have so many things for you when you visit my home state, Mato Grosso. It's gonna be very interesting. Wow. We have so many beautiful things over here. I just saw like a big fish. I gotta tell you a little bit more about this boat trip, the boat tour we had. So just for you to be in touch with the nature, the duration of the ride, of the tour, It took around 2 hours, 2 hours and a half, I think. It was really beautiful because we had the opportunity to contemplate the nature, and we were surprised with, you know, the birds we found, the toucanos, and it was really, really nice. So it's my suggestion for you. Okay, so the fauna and the flora on the banks of the Cuiabazinho River is really beautiful. So as you saw, it's a very, very important for you to come here to enjoy our state of Mato Grosso. It's really nice. It is important to note that this tour is different from rafting, as most of the route, as you saw, is very calm, and each boat can take up to 7 people, including an adventure tourism leader, for a total of 8 people. And the observation and rules that they always tell, and I think it's important to tell you as well, it's about the age allowed on the boat. So as you saw, it's really easy to do that. They say like kids from 6 years old and so on to wear closed shoes that completely cover the foot. And the group is accompanied by one instructor, as you saw in each boat, but this time it was just us. And for safety reason, it is forbidden to take the tour if you have drunk alcohol on the day. So for pregnant women too, and people with back problems or who have had recently surgery. And that's it, guys. If you're looking for adventure and fun in the middle of the nature, Bom Jardim Adventure is the perfect destination for you guys. So I am very excited, and I hope to see you guys here in Bom Jardim. All right. If you say, do you speak English? Did you know that you're saying it wrong?
Do you have a ticket?
The secret is in the pronunciation of do, which with a softer, more neutral accent makes all the difference. Then we say, do you speak English? Here at the Best English School, we unlock these secrets. Our online classes not only correct, but improve your pronunciation from basic to advanced. Learn to speak English and express yourself correctly now. Comment "I want" down below and you will win a whole week of free English lessons with me. Talk to me now on my Brazilian WhatsApp number 6599636175 or on my WhatsApp number here in the United States +1 804 385 3828, and it will be an honor to have you to start this educational journey together.